Ever seen a construction hack so slick you gotta stop and replay it twice? I'm about to show you some of the wildest, most ingenious construction technologies out there. Stuff that even seasoned pros can't believe actually works. Let's start with this beast of a trenching machine. Watch it slice through earth like it's warm butter, leaving behind a perfect ditch in literally seconds. No more hours of back-breaking digging, just pure, satisfying precision. Now, check this. A mechanized ditch closer follows right behind, sealing up crop trenches automatically. You blink, you miss it, it's that fast. And if water pipes burst? Old school says call a plumber, but some crews just pack clay over the leak and boom, problem solved instantly. You ever seen a stump puller grip a whole tree, roots and all, and yank it out clean? That's some serious muscle. Logs? Forget the heavy lifting. Trucks tilt, logs roll. When it comes to painting street lines, automated machines are laser precise. Straight as an arrow every time. Ever tried bending thick rebar by hand? Good luck. With a specialized bending tool, you shape steel bars like it's no big deal. Smooth curves, zero cracks. And wet concrete? Robotic finishers get it glassy smooth in minutes, hands-free. Down on the farm, rotary spreaders cover acres in minutes. Beats the old shoveling days, that's for sure. Here's a clever one. Workers made a brick transport using bamboo rails and a tire redirector. Just bounce and collect. Or laying circular brick patterns with a tire mold. When you pull it off, the pattern stays perfect. Demolition, weighted hammers swing and bring down walls with barely a nudge. And if you gotta climb a tree, spikes strapped to your boots turn you into Spider-Man. Sometimes it's the little things. Cut a paintbrush at an angle, suddenly corners are a breeze. Or slap an umbrella on a paint roller. No more splatters in the face. Stepping stones, post-hole shovels, flood pumps that clear 5 feet of water in minutes. Every job's got a tool that just blows your mind. Best part? All these tricks and machines, they save time, save your back, and make the job look good. So if you're into smart tools, crazy hacks, and the pure satisfaction of a job done right, hit that subscribe button. Drop a like if you learned something new and let me know which technique surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and remember, work smarter, not harder.